Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm taking a look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Today's date is June 12th, 2024. Let's get started. Looking at the hourly chart of this currency pair, the CPI data took the price sharply to the upside. The market was staying or trying to stay below the 100 100-hour moving average. That's a blue line in the chart, and the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. That's the green line right here. But the CPI data came in much weaker than expected and zipped through the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart and 200-hour moving average above here. So we had two converged moving averages at these two levels and move above each of those levels. That prompted additional buying here, which has subsequently taken the price to and eventually through this swing area up through here between the 0.6676 and 0.66896 level. Note here that the price initially came up toward the high of that level, then rotated back to the downside, found support buyers against the low of the swing area through here before rotating back to the upside and extending toward the 0.6700 level. And on the top side, of course, we have the high prices that we saw in the month of May, which came in at 0.67087 and 0.67135 to get to and through. If it gets above those levels, it opens the door for further upside momentum from a technical perspective on the downside. We don't want to see the price move back below this swing area through here. If it does move below this area right here, then we could see rotation back to the downside as traders become disappointed on the break to the upside and the failure to extend up toward the May highs. Take a longer look at the daily chart. Where do we stand in this currency pair? Well, note here that the high price that we saw in the month of May stalled right near the 50% or right at the 50% retracement of this move down from the high price going back to, it looks like 2022 maybe, to the low price that's seen in October of 2023. That 50% retracement comes in at 0.67134, and the high price that we saw in the month of May stalled right near that level. Admittedly, the price did move above that 50% retracement through here, but then fell below it and tried to extend back above it through here, but could not, and rotated to the downside. So this 50% retracement has some significance from a technical perspective, and we will watch that level as not only as the high price from the month of May, but also the 50% midpoint of the longer-term move down from the 2022-2023 high to the 2023 low. So there you have it, a technical look at the Aussie versus US dollars. It surges to the upside, but running into 2024 high levels near the 0.67134 level. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.